So this is question 37 on page 853. So it says we've got the equation xy minus 2,000 equals y. So we've got this implicit function. So we want to do the derivative of it because it says what's the equation of the tangent line to this curve at x equals 2. So we're going to need the y value here. So we're going to go y equals, we're going to just plug in that x. So I get 2y minus 2,000 equals y. I'll subtract 2y, so I get negative 2,000 equals negative y, so therefore y equals 2,000. So there's the equation of the point of tangency. So now all I have to do is do the derivative of that. So I'm going to do d dx, derivative with respect to x, of xy minus d dx of 2,000 equals d dx of y. All right, so we'll do this side first. So on this side we get what? The derivative of y is just 1, so I get 1, but now I'm doing the derivative of y with respect to x, so I get 1 dy dx. On this side, the derivative of 2,000 is 0, so then I just have to do the derivative of this product. So we do the product rule, right? The derivative of the first times the second, so derivative of x is 1 times y, plus the first times the derivative of the second, which is going to be 1, but we're doing the derivative with respect to x, so it's 1 dy dx. Okay, so now we're going to group up our terms that have dy dx, so I'm going to subtract x dy dx. So on this side I get y equals, and on this side I get 1 dy dx minus x dy dx. And now remember, we just treat this dy dx kind of like it's a variable, and so then we just factor it out. So I get y equals dy dx times 1 minus x. And I can divide out the 1 minus x, and there's the slope of the tangent. So I've got dy dx equals y divided by 1 minus x. So since that's the equation of the tangent line, then I can just substitute in my 2 and 2,000, and so I'm doing dy dx at the point 2,000, and so that's going to give me 2,000 for the y, and then 1 minus 2 in the denominator, so I get negative 2,000. And so now I can just write the equation of the line. I know what the slope is, and I know what the point is, so I can do y equals mx plus b. So y equals negative 2,000 x plus b. Substitute in the 2 and 2,000, and I get what? 2,000 equals negative 2,000 times 2 plus b. That's negative 4,000, add it to both sides. I get b equals 6,000. And now I've got the equation of my line. Y equals negative 2,000 x plus 6,000. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful.